New tonight, a second shot of hope is on the way. The FDA has approved the Moderna vaccine for emergency use, and shipments should start this weekend. Texas is already set to receive 460,000 doses of the vaccine, and those should start arriving next week. Now, this is a big deal for doctors and nurses who work in the state's rural areas.
They've been waiting for this vaccine to get the green light. Victoria DeLeon joins us tonight with a look at why doctors have been calling this a game changer.
Yeah, Jordan and Dej, pretty soon the Moderna vaccine will be available to healthcare workers at local pharmacies, even the one inside this H-E-B right here. Now, these pharmacies signed up to be vaccination sites, but it's still not completely clear how that process is going to work, especially since not just anyone can get the vaccine yet. Experts call the Moderna vaccine a game changer because it's easier to store and handle than the Pfizer vaccine.
In the rural areas like Jasper County, we're really looking forward to that.
Jasper County Judge Mark Allen says there are about 10 locations across Jasper that have applied to receive the vaccine, and it's not just clinics and doctors' offices.
They're looking at stores with pharmacies like Brookshire Brothers in Jasper County. We have 3.
According to the Moderna allocation list from DSHS, Jefferson County is expecting to receive 1,900 vaccines, 1,600 for Hardin County. Jasper can expect 800, 100 for Newton County, and 200 for Orange County. Some of these locations include H-E-B's, Brookshire Brothers, and even Market Basket pharmacies. But not just anyone can get the vaccine. This round should go to healthcare workers. In a statement, a spokesperson for DSHS says, "We're asking our providers to use their best judgment in adhering to Phase 1A guidelines." What's still unclear is how pharmacies will make sure healthcare workers are receiving the vaccine first. As for moving on to the next phase of essential workers, that's also still unclear.
We only have 100 people waiting to take the vaccine who are healthcare workers, but we have some police or firemen ready, then we want to make it available to them. But it's just too early to tell that right now.
Most experts estimate the vaccine won't be available to the general public until the middle of 2021. Hardin County Judge Wayne McDaniel is a little more hopeful it's sooner.
I'm hoping that maybe as early as February we could start providing vaccines to the general public. But again, it's just too early to tell until we know what we're going to have and how many people are interested in taking the vaccine.
Now, Judge McDaniel says we should have a better idea of how this process is going to work when the Moderna vaccines do come in, which again could be as early as next week. In Beaumont, I'm Victoria DeLeon, 12 News.